Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to pause your Shopify store. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. To pause your Shopify store, you must open your Shopify admin panel and then click on settings and select plan. And here you'll find this deactivate option, so click on deactivate. And before you go, review these steps to take before closing your store. You can read this article, and from here select the reason why you're closing your Shopify store and click on continue. And now enter your Shopify account password here and then click on deactivate now. So this is how we can pause our Shopify store. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.